Welcome, here I've got Huawei P Smart 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here we have to go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place we have the audio control option, so by tapping on it we get access to this button and we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on, and when we have this we can take a picture without touching the screen by saying, for example, choose to take photos or speak loudly to take photos. So for now let me pick speak loudly to take photos. Let's go back to the camera to see how it works, and now let me, for example, say take a picture loudly, and as you can see we have to be pretty loud that the device can hear us. Once again, take a photo, and this is how it works. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.